The Pixel Watch 2 is already hot trash because Google's repair policy is basically, we already took your money, we can't fix it.
Piles of manipulative lying!
A couple of days ago, The Verge published an article detailing the absolutely pathetic, or accurately non-existent, repair process for the Pixel watches. The company does not offer any repair or service centers for the watch, does not have replace options aka spare parts like a screen, and they do not offer their preferred warranty coverage, essentially their version of Apple Care Plus, the devices that are strapped onto your wrist and are most exposed to elements and therefore most likely to be broken. And we have first-hand accounts of how this piss-poor customer service has ravaged and destroyed the lives of innocent people. Now, there are some users who have cracked their screen and are complaining because they can't get it fixed. They can't get replacement screens, and Google support forums, all they get is answers like, contact the credit card company for support. What happens if you pay by cash or debit card? What if you didn't buy a clock on the dime of financial authoritarians? I guess you could get it fixed from some third-party repair store, but given that the company that makes the product doesn't have spare parts, I highly doubt some random store would get their hands on them. Could you imagine you live in a country that Google doesn't officially support and has zero physical presence in? Best use those watch bands as sundials, I guess. How is this even legal? Oh wait, Google owns the government. This is an absolute disgrace. How can one of the wealthiest companies in the world mess up something as simple as customer service? Usually speaking, the main benefit of buying a product from a massive company is the high quality after-sales support you get. Sure, your purchase would fund a technocratic dystopia, but at least you'll have good customer service. Google has always treated their hardware lineup, or really a lot of their software as well, as basically fun side projects they give for their interns. They treat it like a joke. They release overpriced junk like the Pixel Book, which is basically a Chromebook, which is basically a web browser that starts at $1,000. And if things couldn't get any worse, just a couple of weeks ago, Google shut down their Pixel Upgrade program, which is a subscription service, provides you with the newest Pixel every 2 years. They shut down that program before that program hit 2 years of existence. And all this would be, 1% less bad if their products weren't expensive as hell and priced right alongside the competition like Apple and Samsung, who actually can fix their products when they break and don't play Russian roulette with their product lineup, which people sink thousands of their hard-earned dollars into. Try and avoid the Pixel Watch until Google sorts this out, and if it doesn't, just get a Galaxy Watch. Don't reward a company that is somehow even more anti-consumer than Apple. They treat their customers like Bill Clinton treats women, just use and dispose. Check out why people are being mean to the iPhone 15s, why the iPhone 15 is a scam, and the dark truth behind USB-C on the iPhones. Thank you very much. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.